Hello, my name is Jeff Agee, Chairman and CEO of First Citizens National Bank. Very excited to present you our first quarter 2021 results. You see the very first slide reflects our stock value of $63. That's where it's trading currently. And if you remember, that stock was trading at 55 at December this past year. So we've had a good uptick and swing in the stock value. This next graph reflects the return on equity, which is a graph and barometer that is very impactful in the banking arena. You can see in 2021 we were 10.9%, and last year at this time 10.5%. So 40 basis points increase in return on equity, and historically if a bank was making 10% or greater, they were doing very well. The dividends for the first quarter, you can see we moved them up from 30 cents to 35 cents. If you equate that, it's approximately 17% increase in the quarterly dividends per share. Again, a reflection of the positive earnings that we are producing. Just to bring you up to date, again, our earnings are very strong currently, should continue through the remainder of the year. We've actually had great earnings for some time. And also our risk positions, we are very excited where we are. We're strategically right where we had planned in that low to moderate risk position, that little pocket zone that we feel very comfortable at running this bank. The audits, most of our audits, internal and external, have been very favorable. Obviously, our core auditors are from the OCC and the Federal Reserve, and those are in process as we speak. Future taxation. This is something that's on all corporate leaders' minds. We're hearing corporate taxation could go from 21% and as high as 28%, which is very impactful to any corporation, inclusive of our bank. It will probably, assuming it takes place, it could easily fall in that pocket zone of around 25%, but going from 21% to 25% is still very impactful to our company. So we're watching that as it progresses. This next bullet point, attracting and retaining teammates. This is an issue across the United States. This is not just a banking issue. It is definitely applicable to our bank. This is a position in this country. I have never seen it like this or at this volume. So this is something we're really strategically trying to take actions and to try to make a difference. But again, we're all battling that issue. An asset quality graph here reflects very favorable trends. Even going back to 3/31 of last year, the non-performing loan position of the company, which is basically the 90 days plus non-accrual loans, we were at 0.33%. You can see the gray graph or bar is peer groups, and we were below peer last year. And going to the right side, you can see our current position, we're at 0.28%, and basically 1/2 of where peer groups are. And the lower the ratio, the better. So again, we're very, very happy with that position. Our total assets have gone from 2019 to 1.7 million to 1.8 million. And then the current year of 2021, we are right at 2.1 billion in size. Come a long ways. The forecasted earnings per share for the company for the remainder of this year, you can see the full year for 2019 was $4.72. 2020, it was $5.56. And our forecast, which is a very nice forecasted range, we're looking at $5.90. Again, that would be another record year. These past years were record years also. So the 2021 number in EPS is a record position at $5.90. As you can tell, I'm very excited about 2021. The numbers and the data and et cetera that we have feeding into the first quarter are very positive. We're very optimistic going on the next few quarters, feeding into 12/31 of this year. and we should land in a historical high record year for this year also. Thank you.